I ain't gonna lie to you, your boy kind of needed a security system for the crib and everything. So we went ahead and picked this up, this TAPO 4-in-1 bundle kit I found on Amazon. This is my first time actually using the brand. I ain't gonna fake it to you. I kind of hope that this is gonna be something that I do need. I had a pretty bad experience with the Blink camera system. I think it wasn't Blink, I think it was my ISP. You guys are in St. Louis, you already know exactly who our ISP is out here. That's your internet service provider for those people that don't know. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, so I think it was just them and everything. They tripping because my cameras kept on getting disconnected or whatever. So I was like, you know what? I got tired of having to take it down from the mount and reset it and reset it and reset it. I'm like, I'm done with it. So I went ahead and got this TAPO set right here. Now I ain't gonna fake it to you. Just reading a couple of great features about it. I think that it should be able to do the job that I need to do. We obviously gonna do a quick test run. And on top of that, this bundle for all four of them really didn't cost that much at all. I mean, spending about 50 bucks on the camera system, you get four of them as well. And I mean, hopefully you're gonna be that stuff. Now this camera system right here does support 1080p, and also on top of that does have night vision too. So that's why I was like, you know what, that's cool. I do like to keep my house a little bit dark. I ain't gonna fake it to you, but even if I wanted to mount one of these outside, I would be able to have the ability to, apparently. But then again, these are wired, so I don't think I ain't gonna go outside. I ain't gonna lie to you. Now also on top of that, this one does also come with a two-way audio system as well, and that's gonna be perfect. Now this is perfect for anybody, like it says on the back of the box, if you got kids or anything, or if you just want to communicate with anybody that's actually inside your house. For me personally, since I'm in an apartment, this would be a perfect way for me to communicate and also be notified if maintenance was able to come in my apartment without me noticing, because they kind of did that early and I was almost naked. Anyway, my bad, y'all. Let's go ahead and get straight into the unboxing of this camera system. Let's go ahead and see what's up with them. All right, so I feel like I ain't did an unboxing video in I don't know how long, but hey. Oh, we're gonna take them straight out the box. We got a couple of pamphlets popping out right quick, and we got some little stickers or whatever. I ain't gonna lie to you, this is actually hella smart. So this right here is like a little guidance thing, like, you know, for you to put on the wall. I guess if you actually need to mount your camera system anywhere. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put mine at just yet, but we may mount. Now, straight up out of the box, we got four of these cameras just like this, and got a bunch of wires and screws up in here as well. But let's go ahead and take this out the bag. Okay, I see why it would cost 50 bucks. So this is a little camera system right here. I ain't gonna fake it to you, it is plastic. It does feel a little bit, you know, like you could probably break it if you need, so I can't pull this one out, so that's kind of cool and everything. Let me go ahead and get the rest of them out the box and let's see what's up. I don't know about them. I don't know. Like for real though. But anyway, taking all four of these out the box. All four of these got their own wire design as well. Okay, cool. We got enough length and everything up on here, so if I need to put one outside, I can definitely do that. Or if I actually want to mount it up on my wall anywhere in the house, I can do that as well. That's fine. Then, like I said, we got some mounting screws as well, so that's pretty cool. And that's it. Some other great features that do come with these TAPO camera systems as well. Like I said, we already got the 1080p, we got the night vision availability as well, the two-way talk system also. But one other thing I do like on here is that, one, you can have your own customizable block zone. So what that pretty much means is that if you don't want these cameras to go ahead and notify you just because somebody's walking in, let's say for instance my living room, exactly where I sit at every single time, I'm pretty confident you can just go up in there and block that zone off and have it, you know, ping you if it's something else. So like me personally, I'd be pinging it at my patio, my front door, the room, something like that type stuff. Now also on top of that, we do have local and cloud storage. It looks like that this right here can take up to about 512 gigabytes for SD storage, but it is micro SD. It is micro SD as well. But I'm kind of curious on why do they have a limit to only 512. That don't make any sense. I mean, I feel like I should have a terabyte, but hey, it is what it is. Now I do wish that I was able to go ahead and connect all of these somehow without being the cloud way, and then, you know, having like one SD card and have everything pinged to one thing, because honestly, buying 512 micro SUD. I mean, why I keep saying SUDs? What's going on with me, bruh? I don't know. But buying 4 micro SD cards is probably ain't gonna be feasible for real. Well, I ain't gonna say feasible. It's too much. It's too much. So we probably gonna take the cloud route. I ain't gonna lie to you. Other than that, I think that's pretty much it. You do got an alarm system on here, obviously as well. It does trigger an alarm to frighten away once a visitor. So it's a detection. I mean, a detector, a deterrent. A deterrent system, my bad, deterrent. So that's actually cool. So I'm going to get these bad boys hooked up. We're gonna go ahead and see if they got like an app thing up in here as well, because I do see that we can actually use this with Google and also Alexa. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this set up real quick. We're gonna mount one of these somewhere, maybe on the shelf. Hold on. All right, y'all. So we went ahead and got this camera a little over here, just mounted up just a little bit. So now we're just gonna head over to the app. This is my Pixel 9 real quick. And I think the setup process for this really shouldn't be that difficult at all. Pretty much you just go straight to the app, go ahead and hit add on to the device. I got the TAPO C100s. Let's go ahead and hit next on there. Got them Snapchat notifications coming in, they're going crazy. But yeah, I think that this right here is pretty much going to be solid so far. I ain't gonna lie to you. The camera is kind of minimalistic. It's real small and everything as well. But the only thing that I hate is that the wire right here, it's under it. I wish it was like in the back instead, and the speakers to me should have probably been on the bottom, just to make sure the wire wouldn't have to really stick out as much. But hey, it is what it is. Now this app right here, it is taking a little bit of its time to go ahead and connect, and it's probably because I kind of connected it but then disconnected it at the same exact time. Let me go ahead and set this camera down real quick so we can get this joint taken care of. All right, so that was on me, y'all. It literally said, make sure that my phone is connected to the TAPO stuff, and I wasn't even connected. Let me go ahead and type in my password real quick. Y'all don't need to know all that, because, you know, somebody come over here try to get my password, and I'm upset, because now my Wi-Fi all slow. But anyway, we getting all connected right now. And like I said, so far, I mean... Wi-Fi. What? What am I scared the mess out of me? I think I typed my password in incorrect. TAPO is looking for your device, so now I got to go back in here and reconnect to it again. Look, I done gave this dang on app a compliment. May have to take it back real quick, y'all. So we connected to it, but it's something we can't find it. So, okay, cool. So now we back over here. Let's go back to my stuff. Type in my password one more again. Let's go ahead and say the password and see if it worked this time. Connecting to Wi-Fi. There we go. Says it's connecting to the Wi-Fi, y'all. We may be cooking with something. Wi-Fi connected. There we go. We connected. Boy got big old fingers. You know, I probably typed in the password incorrect, but hey, my bad. All right, cool. So we're just going to wait for this mug to go ahead and pair. I think this mug should be paired up now, hopefully, because we did get a notification and we got a green light on the camera itself. So we just simply waiting for this. This mug is officially done. I just went ahead and selected the name and everything. And hold on, camera, come on, focus for me. Yeah, so we went ahead to set up the name and everything, put an icon to it. How could we get a 30-day free trial of free unlimited cloud storage? Let's go ahead and take that. Might as well. All right, cool. So now we are successfully started up. They just talking about firmware updates. Let's go ahead and see what we can see real quick up on this app. So far, I ain't gonna fake it too. The app is pretty chill. I ain't gonna lie to you. I thought it was gonna be a little bit trash just because of like the cost of the whole entire device, but nah. Oh, snap. Hey. Oh, snap, we on the phone. No, I swear. All right, let me see if we can see the camera. There we go. Excuse my house, y'all, but hey, it is what it is. But yeah, man, so that's that right there. Getting these notifications and stuff. My homeboy sent me all these reels. But I ain't gonna fake it till I just looking at, hold on. Can you mute this? There we go. Okay, cool. I ain't gonna lie to you. I just looking at this little whole entire little setup. So far, it looks pretty decent. In my personal opinion, I mean, for 50 bucks, like I said, you get 4 of these cameras right here. You tell me what y'all think it is. You just let me know. But we're gonna go ahead and end the video off just like this. I'm gonna provide y'all with an update too once I get everything actually set up and actually mounted as well, just because I want to know y'all true and thoughts about it, because we can spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on security systems, but if this right here can do it for 50 bucks and you get 4 of them, that's 10 bucks pretty much per camera. Not even pretty much, it is. I think we're pretty cool. So we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.